Bottoms up. Ugh. Most people don't figure this out until it's too late. So listen up. If you have certain things that are happening with your gut, especially after you eat or towards the end of the day, this video is for you. Leaky gut syndrome affects a majority of the United States, even those that you see in the gym and look healthy. A lot of times they do not feel their best, or they have not reached the physique that they're looking for. So leaky gut is one of the biggest things that we need to look for in order to make sure that you're healthy. I know that I had this problem for years. It was one of the main reasons that I got sick 6 to 9 times a year. And I say 9 because it was like every other month or something. I would have some sort of illness. So having a leaky gut can be absolutely tremendously bad for your health. The best way to evaluate if you do have leaky gut, which is known as increased intestinal permeability, fancy word for leaky gut. The test that we look for is called zonulin. It is a marker that lets us know about the inflammation and leakiness of the gut. We have several different supplements that we can use in order to repair that gut that I've said in other videos. So here are a few signs that you may have a leaky gut, and it's time to check your zonulin levels. First thing is bloating after you eat, whether it's 10 minutes or an hour after you eat. If you have bloating in your stomach or you don't feel amazing after your meals, that is a sign of leaky gut, or it's a sign that you've eaten enough crap to piss it off. Heartburn and extra gas, either that way or that way, is definitely a sign that your microbiome is off and that you're eating things that are supporting bacteria that are actually harming your health. A lot of gas is not normal. It's normal to pass gas, but it's not normal to be a dang fart machine. The third one is fatigue. If as you're eating through your day, you don't feel like you're getting the energy that you need, and even your skin is starting to look bad, or maybe you have a lot of acne even as an adult, this is another sign that we need to check your gut health and start to replenish it with good bacteria and maybe a couple other tips in order to help you eat. One thing like apple cider vinegar is definitely helpful to have 10 to 15 minutes before you eat in order to help you digest your food. So please check your gut, check your zonulin levels, stop eating the processed food and sugars. It has to end with us. The chemicals end now.